Sixth graders, this is to help you with question 6 on CR 25. It says the formula P equals 40R, which means 40 times R, plus 1.5R, which means 1.5 times R, times, in parentheses, H minus 40, is used to calculate the weekly pay of an employee. In the formula, R is the regular hourly wage. So I just want to make sure I know this. R is the regular hourly wage. All right. H is the number of hours worked. H will be your number of hours worked. Okay. Notice overtime hours are paid at 1.5 times the regular wage. They're just saying that this 1.5, 1.5, that's 1.5, gets multiplied by your regular wage for overtime. Hours over 40 hours. Okay. If Jacinta earns $8 an hour, that's her regular wage, so R is 8, and works 42 hours in 1 week, so the H is 42. What is her weekly pay? So her pay, P, is equal to 40 times her R, which is her regular hourly wage, which is 8, plus 1.5 times R, which is her regular hourly wage, times her number of hours worked, 42 minus 40. So all I did was I took the original formula, 40R, which meant 40 times R, and in place of R I put 8, plus 1.5R, which means 1.5 times R, which is 8, and then H minus 40 in parentheses. Her H is 42 hours worked minus 40. Okay, so now we're just going to follow our order of operations. So the first thing we'll do is we'll work within parentheses first. So I got to work within parentheses. What's 42 minus 40? Oh, 42 minus 40 is 2. Then I'm going to keep my times. I'm going to keep my 8. I'm going to keep my 1.5. I'm going to keep my plus sign. I'm going to keep my 40 times 8. That's what P equals. Sorry, I jumped a slide. All right. Next step would be exponents if we had any. We don't. Next step would be to multiply or divide. And we have to work that left to right. So we'll do that next. So I'm going to multiply. If you take 40 times 8, 4 times 8 is 32. So 40 times 8 is 320. Plus 1.5 times 8. You might have to work that off to the side. 1.5 times 8. 8 times 5 is 40. Put down a 0, carry 4. 8 times 1 is 8, and 4 more is 12. Move that decimal over 1. So 1.5 times 8 is 12. Oh, I guess that makes sense. 1 times 8 would be 8. And then 0.5 represents half. Half of 8 is 4. 8 and 4 is 12. Makes sense. I still have times 2. So I have to continue to do my multiplication before I hit the addition. So now I have 320 plus 12 times 2 is 24. Then in my last step, I'll add or subtract left to right. I don't have any subtraction. All right. So 320 plus 24 is 344. She made $344 last week. I hope that helps.